Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to use Rarible app. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Rarible app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Rarible app. Afterwards, just simply open your Rarible app and then connect or sign in with your wallet. Once you have signed in, you may now see the home page, which is this one. This includes the hot collections, hot bids, live auctions, Tezos blockchain, Flow blockchain, and many more. Right here, you may simply look for the NFT, so you just simply view it, and then you may see the infos, owners, details, history, and bids. You may also share this NFT by clicking on share and then choose the platform that you want. And then right here, you may also search for the collection, item, or user that you want. So just simply type in anything here and then search for it. And then on the second part or in the second option, you may see the news feed or the feed section. So right here, you may see all of the collections or NFT of other people. You may also see the NFT of your followings right here. So you may view them just like this one. You can view them and then the same information will come up. And then on the third option, you may see the trending option or trending section. So you may see the trendings on 1 day or 7 days or 30 days. And then you may see the collections, the sellers. Let's just wait. And then again, you may see the collections, sellers, and buyers. So there are numbers right here, which indicate which is the top collection or the top seller or the top buyer for the past 7 days. So you just simply swipe here and then that's it. On the last option, which is found on the lower right corner, you may see your profile. So I didn't have set my profile yet, so I cannot see anything. If you have set your profile already, you may see your collectibles, your created NFTs, likes, activities, and many more, as well as your followers and following. So that's it. That's how you can use Rarible app. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.